YouTube channel. Hi friends, this is Ravi Kiran. So last video we learned about basic commands and history of PowerShell, and let's today video describes about how commands can be executed and what is the difference between PowerShell integrated and integrated graphical view ISE method. So let's go. And okay, now the command prompt is open, so you can go to start and you can see here two icons: PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and Windows PowerShell ISC. ISC, you can right click and more, click as run as administrator, so it will open. It's loading. So this is the powerful window. In this window you can try all the option. You will have a command, um, a scripting pane also. Yeah, this is what. Okay, this is a execution command, and this is a scripting pane, and this is the command. So you will have all a lot of commands on Windows PowerShell 5.0. All the commands will be displayed here. If you want to verify, you can type this name and service. It will show you service related commands. If you want to verify process related commands will be displayed. If you want to date, it will show the date related commands. And let's go, and here we can type a number of commands. It will display with the name and numbers. So this is easy, like on which line the command is the script is failing, so we can verify here. And we can type here get hyphen date. You can enter, and you can type get hyphen process. So it will display with the process commands. So I'm typing with process, and you can type get hyphen service. Okay, if you want to here in Windows ISC a window, you will have a play run script, so it will run all the commands. So if you click this one, so okay, it started the execution of the command, and it will show all the commands one by one. So now get hyphen date executed, after that process, after that get hyphen service. So now it is displaying the service. So if you want to verify, you can go top, see here get hyphen date and get hyphen process, get hyphen service. These three commands has been executed. First it's showing the date, time, and after that process it's showing the process, all the information, ID, handle, CPU, and name it's showing. And after that service, so service it will go, see status, the service is stop or start and running, it will show all the information. So this is what. So if you want to run individual command, you can select the individual command. Suppose I want to select get hyphen date, it is highlighted here. Previously it is not highlighted. If you want to execute any single command, select that one and execute this run selection. So run selection, it will directly execute. If you want to run this selection command, you can run this one, it will display it started the execution. So it will display the all the information. Here we have different settings. So you can show the script pane top and side, and only script pane. Like that you can change all the settings. If you do not want this command information, you can remove or you can add in between. You can set here and type like that. And you have a start PowerShell in separate window. If you want, it will directly open separate window. And here you have a command, like suppose I want to clear all the session, so below all the execution everything will be clear. This is a CLS, and paste, copy, cut, save, new, open. These are the same options in all the notepad and everything, so it will be display. Okay, and I want to show you on one of the command. So let's type on scripting pane get service and space hyphen. It will show all the strings. So if you want to search with name, computer name, you can display name, include, exclude, input, object, verb, like the all the strings is available here. I'm going to with the name. Okay, type, so which name the PowerShell is more powerful, so it is checking in the computer which services are available. So you can verify here, all the services can be displayed here. Okay, so I'm going to type ws. So with w I'm able to see. If you want to see with the p commands, if you want to verify with s, with the s commands, it will display. So I'm going to ws service server. Okay, if I click enter, it will go the next plane. And if you want to select and execute this one, it will show get hyphen service hyphen name, and wcs service is top state, and service name is wcs service, display name is ws service. So like that you can verify the command and get hyphen process hyphen type. You can type with name, module, input, file path, everything. So you can include with the name I am going, it will display all the process. So you can verify with the names. So these are the running information. When log on, so get process when log on. So double click. So if you want to search, the both commands can be executed on single window. If you want to select this one, if you want to select this one also, you can select. Let's see with the play button run script, you can press F5. If you click this one, it started and it is displaying the information. See, one is this one and next command is winf and winlogon. So winlogon, it's showing this command information. This is the winlogon output, and this is the service output, get service output. So like that we can have multiple commands in this. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'm going to show you another command on another video. uh, Thanks for watching, have a nice day. Please click on bell icon for to get alert on the new videos.